Who are you? Yes.
माय लॉर्ड एनेक्चर 4 से 96,390 रुपए का इन्होंने हमको अवार्ड इशू कर दिया। वहाँ किराए पर लेकर के हमने एक स्ट्रक्चर बनाया था दुकान एस्बेस्टस का, और फिर बाद में ये उसको कैंसिल कर देते हैं और जो लैंडलॉर्ड हैं उनको नाइवेंस में आकर पेमेंट उनको कर देते हैं। इनका
मैडम,
कहना है इनके काउंटर
कहाँ का है?
प्राइवेट रिस्पोंडेंट है हुजूर, उनको भी नोटिस।
प्राइवेट को क्यों करें? यू रिकवर फ्रॉम प्राइवेट रेस्पोंडेंट इफ यू हैव इलीगली डिसबर्स्ड। व्हाई शुड आई वेट फॉर? काउंटर में क्या दिया आपने? क्या बोल रहे थे? काउंटर का कौन सा पैराग्राफ?
पेज 7 पर
पाँच से
मैडम एक कॉपी दीजिए काउंटर का। अभी तो वो दोनों को भेजे हैं, कुछ नहीं है मेरे पास।
5 से फॉरवर्ड।
आप ऐसा करिए, उनका काउंटर आप लीजिए, वो पतला वाला हमको दीजिए
जी।
आप। उनका देख पढ़िए, फिर उनको जब वो आर्गू करेंगे तो उनको दीजिएगा।
आपके पास है?
नहीं, आप वही देख कर पढ़िए। क्या इनका कहाँ? आप एक मिनट, आप अपना
आप साथ में कहते हैं हुजूर कि इन्होंने 7 रिलेवेंट है पैराग्राफ इनका पेज 6 पर। इनका
Who is the person who has disbursed this amount?
डिस्ट्रिक्ट लैंड एक्विजिशन,
Which place?
सारण छपरा।
This fellow, the district land acquisition officer, doesn't understand the law. The tenant will have in his possession only a rent agreement. Other documents will be in possession of the landlord. So if the landlord shows those documents, the amount will be disbursed in favor of the landlord.
I may be granted to file this counter affidavit.
No counter affidavit. I am directing for payment of compensation to this petitioner. You are given liberty to recover it from the landlord because you have done it illegally, or from the deputy collector land, वो क्या है, district land acquisition officer, or the landlord, whoever is found guilty. I will direct the collector to do this. Which place?
सारण छपरा।
The petitioner is the tenant of respondent number
6 my lord।
6.
रिस्पोंडेंट नंबर प्राइवेट रिस्पोंडेंट।
हाँ, respondent number 10. It is the case of the petitioner that he is the tenant of respondent number 10 and an award of rupees
96,390
96,390 was prepared in his name,
Lord.
and subsequently the same has been paid by the district land acquisition officer illegally to the respondent number 10. तो अवार्ड में लैंड का पार्ट और दुकान का पार्ट अलग अलग होना चाहिए।
मेरे अवार्ड में केवल मेरे दुकान का ही।
अच्छा, the award is of the structure and not of the land.
Lord sir.
And the petitioner submits that he, being the tenant, is entitled to the award for his structure. Where is the rent agreement?
Lordship annexure 1 and 3.
The learned council has taken this court to annexure 1
and 3.
One and annexure
3
3.
प्रमोद तिवारी लाइन। पेज 23।
इसमें कौन है रेस्पोंडेंट नंबर
10 माय लॉर्ड।
क्या नाम है?
प्रमोद तिवारी।
3. From reading of these two annexures, it appears that the respondent number 10 is the landlord, and he had given this plot of land for rent to the petitioner who had constructed the shop/business premises in question, and he was paying a rent of rupees. कितना है रेंट आपका? कितना था
पहले वाले में तो 30 रुपया था माय लॉर्ड। इसमें
अभी he was paying rent to the respondent number 10. The counter affidavit has been filed by the district land acquisition officer Saran. Para 7. Para 7 of the counter affidavit reads as follows.
पहले चलिए भी देखिए
कैंसिल करके
Next, the learned counsel for the petitioner has opposed of the state has opposed the prayer of the petitioner. From reading of para 7 of the counter affidavit, it is clear that the district land acquisition officer has not applied his mind to the facts of the case and has illegally disbursed the compensation amount to the respondent number 10. A tenant can have in his possession only the rent related documents and not the land related documents. The land related documents are with the landlord. But if the landlord produces the land related documents, the tenant cannot be denied the compensation. In these circumstances, the state is directed to pay the compensation amount of rupees 97,000 such and such to the petitioner, and the state is given liberty. The district magistrate Chhapra,
जी सारण
Saran at Chhapra, is given liberty to recover the same from the respondent number 10 or the district land acquisition officer Saran at Chhapra. With the aforesaid observations and directions, this application is allowed. The petitioner must be paid the compensation ऊपर ही कर दीजिएगा amount within 4 weeks from the date of communication of this order. और उसके बाद allowed लिखे ना, उसके बाद वही कर दीजिएगा. In case the order is not complied within such and such within 4 weeks, then the petitioner has liberty to file a revival application for the revival application.